Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to find recent players on Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to find your recent players on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app on your computer and log into your Steam account, as I've already logged into my account over here. And when you land on this interface, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is our username available for us over here at the top left, where my mouse is currently hovering. And when we hover over that username at the top left, you can see a drop down menu appearing. We'll be required to click on the friends option available for us over here just below the profile. Click on friends, and over here guys, at the left side of the screen you can see a bunch of options available for us, and over here there it says the recently played with. Click on that recently played with, and all of the players with whom you had recently played games on Steam will be available over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to find your recent players on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.